welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna compare Megaboom 3 versus JBL Charge 4. We're gonna compare quality, loudness, the bass, and how clear is the audio is. First, we're gonna try it out. Megaboom 3, your volume's up, volume's down, and you have your power buttons and Bluetooth. Your charging starts on the end. Power buttons, Bluetooth, volume's up, pause, volume's down, connect, so you can connect multiple speakers together. USB-C cable, and you also come with the audio cable, and you can charge your phone, both of them around 200 pounds range. The price do change. If you are interested, I leave a link below. First, we're going to try the ultimate ears.
I forgot your name, don't remember where we met. But what I do recall is the shit you put me through, but not you. Maybe I need some therapy.
So both gonna be in a full volume.
You and me. Forget about you and me. Like amnesia. Like amnesia. Forget about you and me. I know time heals our wounds, 'cause the scars that we prove that it's true, and the ones that bleed remind me.
Connect to JBL.
I forgot your name, don't remember where we met. We met. But what I do recall is the shit you put me through, but not you.
A song with a really high bass. Also, we're gonna try like party mix. Different.
Put your hands in the air. put your hands in the air.
So Ultimate CS does sound much louder than the JBL. JBL do have really good bass. So even with the high bass sounds, they're able to handle it much better than the Ultimate is. JBL sounds much better. It does have a little bit more deep bass. We are not all gonna listen to one kind of genre. We are all gonna have a mix. I think is Ultimate ears are pretty loud for sure. They are one of the loudest speaker I come across. Overall, which speaker is better? Is that JBL or is that Ultimate ears? I would say it is JBL sounds much better on the bass and also on the volume. Say there is no distortion. Where on the Ultimate ears I noticed there is when you go higher, they do have a little bit of distortion in the end. But if you are going for a good speaker, JBL, you can not only use Charge 4, you can also go for the Charge 3, flip fold, and you have the Extreme. I am not promoting JBL in any way. Pairing with the Ultimate ears, JBL 2 sounds better. Subscribe, like the videos. See you guys on the next video.